Good afternoon, Standard 9th. How are you all? All well? All good? So, before I can see most of you to be joining, I'll be just give a brief intro of mine. Amit, good afternoon. Aman, good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Shalini Kumari Keshri, and I'm a plus educator in Unacademy. I have done my master's in medical physiology from Amity University. I take biology of all the four sections 9th, 11th, and 12th in Unacademy. Now, here, before I start up, let me just give a brief intro. While this is via YouTube session where we all are meeting up, right? So, Standard 9th, I think this is the best time to join Unacademy Plus. Plus is the platform of Unacademy, which is a paid platform, and the subscription rates are very, very economical. Whatever subscription you will be taking, you are able to avail all the subjects, be it science, be it maths, English, SST, whatsoever, in that very subscription rate. Apart from that, we all are a group of educators over there. So if you are not very clear on any of the topic with any one educator, you have the choice and option of your own. So therefore, I think you should take a trial of the Plus platform. Now here comes the subscription rate. Whether you take 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription, there will be an insert referral code. If you use my referral code as SKLife10, here I have already mentioned up my referral code as SKLife10, you will be getting 10% of instant discount. And apart from that, definitely I do get motivation that under my name students are coming up. Apart from that, Unacademy has brought known as the iconic subscription. So what is the difference between the iconic is that there a personal mentor is assigned. There is parents contact, educators help you to carry out your study planner, and live doubt clearing sessions are there apart from all other plus features, whatever is coming up. So yeah, definitely the subscription rates are different. If you literally find that you can move with the iconic subscription, you should go for it. Now these are different batches that is going on Unacademy Plus. Prime batch, full syllabus for CBSE 2021. Precision batch, full revision for pre-post, let's crack NCERT batch. I think this is the best time to take a subscription for the Unacademy Plus. If you feel, ma'am, what about the classes that's already done? Nothing to worry about that. You already have a recording lectures, you have a recording with you. Apart from that, we all have started for standard 9, 10th and 12th, we have started with the revision batches. In one after the another, we are carrying out the chapters in revision. Apart from that, we are also solving out good lot of questions that boost you up. So just let me have a look to it, whoever is there. Yeah. Sanskriti, hi, good afternoon. Prasoon, good afternoon. I'm good. Thank you so much. Muskan, good afternoon. Fine. So now apart from that, in Unacademy, just take a trial of Unacademy Plus 1 month. Definitely you won't be disheartened. And further you can renew the subscription. Now apart from that, different Unacademy, what you can prevail the advantages is all daily T20 tests are there for the final examination. We say now that without the evaluation we do not know that how much we have done. So there are different test series, daily T20 tests for final examination. Let's test SST via MCQ. Let's test mathematics via for the final. See, every Sunday 2 p.m. SST for every Saturday 11 a.m. I think you all should take a trial of it. Apart from that, Unacademy Ascend, what I would like to tell you. Unacademy has brought Unacademy Ascend, I think it's on 10th of January. You have good lot of chances to win the scholarship. Apart from that, you can also win the subscription of Unacademy. Entire NCERT syllabus is there. I think you can go to Unacademy Learning app and you should attempt Unacademy Ascend because this will help you to evaluate how much you have done with your study. Okay. Live quizzes are there. Now, apart from that, just the last thing I would like to tell you. Live quizzes, how to join live quiz. Just go to Unacademy Learning app, log into the app, select the goal option, select to the menu button on the top left corner, select to the plus, label the test, and then you have to enter the code given by your educator and you can join the quiz. You have to wait till the educator hosts the quiz, and then you can simply move with the quiz. So live quizzes are there. I think you should, more the practice you are going to do with the questions, more you are going to feel confident. Apart from that, in order to come up in the Unacademy Learning Camp with the special classes, to unlock the free platform, please use my code SKLife10. If you use this code SKLife10, you can come to the special classes. There, nowadays they are asking for a code. So if you use this SKLife10, you can come to the special classes. There in the special classes, I launch good lot of quizzes. So even that you all can attempt it and have a good lot of knowledge, good lot of practice with the quizzes. Okay, all there. Now I think we should start with it. Amin, hi. Good afternoon. Amit, yes, I do remember you. Good afternoon. So today's topic that we are going to move with is, today's topic that we are going to start is, why do we fall in? All there? Can you hear me? Please tell me. Let me know. Audio, video, all clear? Standard 9. Let's start now. Exactly. Just 1 minute, please. Okay. All clear? Can you see me up? Is my audio, video all clear? Can you just let me know? Audio is clear? Okay, I don't know. All of a sudden the camera got shut off. So should we proceed? And it's not starting once again. I think I have to rejoin or what? Is my video clear? Video stuck. Audio, is it clear? Can you hear me up? Audio, is audio clear to all of you? Audio is clear. So should we proceed with the audio? I think something went wrong with the camera. Can we proceed with the audio? Okay. We'll just keep an interactive session, okay? So that I keep on getting the comments. I'm having a clear watch on my mobile as well. Now, if I ask you standard 9, what do you mean by health? So what are you going to reply me? What are you going to reply me? So what do you mean by health? Can you hear me, all of you? Standard 9. Yeah. If I talk about the health, okay. So health is basically, if I talk, it's not only the physical status. When we talk about the health, we take entirely all the 3 conditions. That is physical, mental and social well-being. Health is described as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. What do you mean by this? If I just say that I'm suffering from fever, if I say this doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that I'm healthy. Okay. Basically, if I'm not having any fever, or what I can say, I'm giving the lecture, but somewhere if I'm present, mentally I'm present, still I'm not healthy. Okay. So health is described as the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. If I talk about the health, you have to take all the three aspects. I have to be completely physical healthy, matlab not suffering from any of the malfunctioning of the body. Apart from that, I have to be mentally present. Mentally, I'm not stressed. Wherever, matlab present, whatever work you are doing, entirely you are engrossed. And socially, how good is your social interactions with your society, with your friends and all? Am I clear? Because I don't know, video got stuck. Audio is clear, Raman. Let us proceed with audio today. I think something went wrong. Can you hear me up? Okay. So just keep on interacting because something went wrong with the camera. I'll just contact to my team after this. After the class, let us proceed with the audio mode. Okay. No, I've already done that. Fine. So let's proceed on. Health is described as the state of complete physical, mental, and social well being. For maintaining a healthy life cycle, a person needs to have a balanced and varied diet, needs to exercise, live regularly in a proper shelter, and get enough sleep. Right? Just if I am not suffering from any fever or something, and if still I am mentally stressed, will I be called healthy? Sound you can hear now. Come on, let us proceed with the sound, with the audio class today. Okay. Amin, can you please have an interaction? Like if I say that I'm not suffering from any fever, but still I'm mentally stressed, would I call me as a healthy person? Right? I won't be called as a healthy person. Okay. So in order to be healthy, all the three aspect has to be very clear. That is physical aspect, the physiological functioning, body should function very properly. Mentally, I have to be stress free, as well as social interaction has to be very good. For maintaining a healthy life cycle, a person needs to have a balanced and varied diet, needs a proper exercise, live regularly in a proper shelter, and get enough sleep. Definitely, this is again important thing. Maintaining a good hygiene also reduces the chances of developing an infection. Obviously, this is something that has to be practiced every day, not one or the other day, right? So maintaining a good hygiene, maintaining cleanliness is good for us. Our health is affected not only by unbalanced diet but also by the disease. What do you mean by pathogen? Kritgan, hi, good afternoon. What do you mean by pathogen? Yes, standard 9. Any disease causing microorganism are said to be pathogen. Okay? So there is not just one reason of being unhealthy. There can be different reason. It might be that if a person is not living in a very clean environment, unhygienic environment is there, okay, not taking a proper diet, not having a regular exercise, or even not having a sound sleep. Apart from that, pathogens is one of the major cause, what we can say, which is behind the disease causing. So the pathogen, which is known as disease causing microorganism, which may be waterborne, that can be transmitted through water, that can be transmitted, exactly, Amit, good, that can be transmitted through the air as well as food. Some diseases are caused by infection through microorganism, insects and parasites. Now, to prevent the infection of disease, we need to keep our environment clean and hygienic. Obviously, in order to keep the environment, in order to be disease free, the environment has to be very clean and hygienic. Thus, what we can conclude is personal hygiene and community hygiene, they both is helping in the prevention and the spreading of the disease. Am I clear to all of you? Amit, can you please respond? Is it clear? So basically each and everything is participating to keep us healthy. If I talk about the personal hygiene as well as if I talk about the community hygiene as well. Okay, Aman clear? Amit clear? But I don't know, all of a sudden the camera got stuck off. So that is why I'm just proceeding with audio mode today. Is it fine? Kandi, because I think cancelling the class won't bring anything good, okay? So it's just my video is stuck, but let's proceed on. Yeah, your comment is visible in my phone. Fine, just have an interactive session. Conditions essential for good health. Now, the very first thing, standard 9, what is more important for why do we fall ill? What is health and what is disease? Is it clear? Keep responding. When basically, particularly, we are suffering any body malfunctioning, when any body functioning is not proper, any organ is not functioning properly, or any such alteration in the body that is from the normal function, when there is alteration in the functions of the body, such as that we can say as malfunctioning of the body function, that is said to be as a disease condition. Okay, but healthy, then only we are able to say someone as a healthy when the person is disease free, that is completely physically fit. Apart from that, mentally fit matlab no stress, nothing, completely very healthy manner you are working whatever work you are doing. Apart from that, a very healthy social interaction. Okay, so health and disease free, these are the two important concepts in this. Now, what are the factors that can affect the health? This is the second point that we have to know. We have already seen the factors affecting the health. It can be the, first of all, a very good diet has to be there. Okay. Regular exercise has to be there. Hygienic condition has to be there. Proper sleep has to be there, because it might be if we didn't take a good sleep. Okay. It might be we are suffering from fever, but still the whole day is very drowsy. But mentally we are not very, very fine. Okay. So, apart from all these, definitely many other that can cause the not a proper health, that can affect our health, can be some genetic disorders, the pathogens, one of the major causes of the disease that can lead to. So, what are pathogens? Second important point, what are pathogen? The slide is not changing, is it? Because I think camera is not working, that's why. All of a sudden the camera got stuck. Can you hear me, couple? Can you hear me up? Can you see the change slide? I tried it. I tried to 2 to 3 times. Or what we can do, let us end up today's session. Either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be scheduling another class. Will that work? Is it fine if something is not, because slides are also not changing? If slide is changing, should we continue or you want only the video? Slide is changing because even in my things are stuck, so I'm not able to get it. Can you see the slide getting changed? Only the video is paused. Should we continue or should we close today's class? Should we continue? Continue, fine. So disease and its causes, if I talk about, human health gets negatively affected due to physiological malfunctioning. See, psychological reason and pathogenic, that is disease causing microorganism that causes the diseases. Disease can also define as the impairment, malfunctioning of the normal state of living organism. Disease matlab kya? When the normal state is changing up. When was live another class in this channel, ma'am? Beta, I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll schedule it, Aman. Nothing to worry. Okay? Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll schedule it. Don't worry. Okay? Because something, unfortunately, the things got stuck. Don't worry. I'll just come either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Nothing to worry about that. Diseases can be defined as the impairment, malfunctioning of the normal state of the living organism that disturb or modify the performance of the vital function. If I talk about it, that why all the important functions, okay, normal what they are functioning, okay, apart from the alteration, I can say, from the normal functioning, then it is said to be as a disease condition. Aman, Amit, all clear? What do you mean by a disease condition? Malfunctioning of the normal condition, normal function. Clear? Factors causing disease. Disease may be response of environmental factors can be there. Specific infective agents such as the worm, protozoa, fungi, bacteria, viruses can be there. Inherent defects of the organism. Inherent defects मतलब genetic disorders can be there. Now, if I talk about the factors that is causing the disease causing factors which exist within the human body are intrinsic factor as well as those factors which is somewhere causing the disease from outside the body's extrinsic factor. What do you mean by intrinsic and extrinsic? Amin, intrinsic and extrinsic. What do you mean by that? Intrinsic means those factors which is present inside the human body and causing the disease. Okay. You can say some hormonal disorder, okay, which is some hormonal imbalance leading to any malfunctioning. Extrinsic matlab something from outside the body causing the disease. Yeah, something, it might be some pathogen or the extrinsic factors. Malfunctioning or improper functioning of various body parts such as heart, kidney, liver, etc. Genetic disorders can be there. This which exists within the very good. Aman, great. Amit, good. Yeah, it is one of the cause beta. I'll be talking about different causes: airborne, waterborne, vector, sexual transmitted. All those one by one will be dealing with. Okay. Malfunctioning or improper functioning of various body parts. Genetic disorder that we are inheriting from the parents, and also the disease can get transmitted to the next generation. Hormonal imbalances, okay, malfunctioning of the immune system, the one that is protecting the body from different diseases. So when the immune system, which is basically a defense system of the body, protecting us from different diseases, when it is not able to function properly, obviously the body will be prone or susceptible to different disease. Clear? Not proper functioning, Amit. Malfunctioning means improper functioning. Not proper functioning. मतलब जो function है, whatever is a function, is not able to carry out its normal function. Okay? Next, let us see. Unbalanced diet or inadequate diet, definitely. Malnutrition, what we can say. Disease causing microorganisms such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, environmental pollutant is one of the major cause and increasing cause that cause to different diseases and all. Environmental pollutants are one of the factor that causes the respiratory diseases and all. Tobacco, alcohol, drugs. Obviously, this is another thing that is basically leading to one of the factor that leads to the disease of the central nervous system. So nervous disorder and all. Okay. There exist various level of the immediate cause. Now, if I talk about the causes, there exist various level of the immediate cause. For example, if your babies are suffering from loose motion, we can say that an immediate cause of infection or disease can be what? The virus. Okay. मतलब क्या कि what can be the level of cause? First level of cause, second level of cause, or what we can say is the third level of cause. But it's just 5 minutes more because I could have done for 1 hour, but I think we should stop today in half an hour, and then I'll be rescheduling the classes. I'll again launch the class. Okay, Amrendra, hi, because video is not working, so I think better to launch it. Let's continue the class for half an hour today. Is it fine? Tomorrow or day after tomorrow again I'll reschedule. I'll just launch our class, nothing to worry. So immediate causes, matlab ki if we see a person suffering from any disease, what are the different causes that can come? First level of cause, it might be some pathogen affecting. Second level of cause, it might be nourishment, due to not lack of proper nourishment, the disease is there. And third level of cause is somewhere the sanitation, unhygienic condition can lead to it. Clear? Now types of diseases are there. So human diseases are broadly grouped into following four categories: congenital disease, some from birth that it is there; acquired disease, that after the birth we acquire during the lifespan. Okay, even in that we have non-infectious disease, the one that is not spreaded out, and there is the infectious disease that is spreaded from or transmitted from one organism or one individual to another. Am I clear to all of you? Standard 9. So basic things we did today. Unfortunately, the camera got stuck off. Anyways, basic thing what we studied today, health. What is health and how is it different from disease? Okay, if anyone is not having any fever, cold, cough, okay, but still the person is very stressful, are you going to call that person as healthy? Amit, Amin, Rohit, Sanskriti, are you going to say that person healthy? No, very good. So in order to call a person healthy, three aspects has to be there. What are the three aspects that has to be there? It is the physical, mental and social. Yeah. Socially also a person has to be very, very healthy in terms of the relationship with the society, friends, family, whosoever. Okay, disease may what we have seen, what are the diseases, what are the what is particularly the disease dealing with, conditions essential for good health. Now what are the factors that lead to promote the good health? Another important thing, live in a neat hygienic condition, take a proper diet, regular exercise, all these things. Okay, disease and its causes we have seen, different factors we have seen. What is disease basically? When are we going to say? When body is not functioning properly. Exactly, Aman, good. Okay, apart from that, factors causing disease, what factors can lead to disease? Environmental factors are there, pathogens are there, most important thing, some inherent genetic disorders are there. Now even in factors, if I say leading to disease, there are two type of factor: intrinsic factor and extrinsic factor. If I talk about the intrinsic factor, matlab from inside. If I talk about the extrinsic, matlab all those factors dealing with the externally. Okay. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever we have the next class, we are going to continue this as part 2 and we'll be dealing with the types of disease. Is it fine? Standard 9, all clear? So please try to come up on the Unacademy learning app. Try to please do go to Unacademy learning app and please do follow me there. My profile Shalini Kumari Keshri. Please go to the free platform and you can follow me there. If you follow me there, whenever I'm coming up with the free classes in the special class, whenever there will be, ma'am, menti kab hoga? Menti for standard 11th I'll be keeping on 31st of December. Purav. Okay. So 31st of December I'll be dealing with menti. You all can come over there. Fine. Chalo. So today let me end up the class over here. Please do follow me and come up on Unacademy Learning App special classes. In order to come up in special classes, YouTube student, please use my code SKLive10 and unlock the free platform. Till then, very soon we are going to meet with the next class. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.